Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of an l.o.l. These are the mini sweets. And we've only done one of these before, so we're excited to see what's inside. Do you want to take the plastic off?
Yeah.
Okay, so they're kind of hidden in these compartments. You want to take out the pieces? She's more familiar with this than I am. You got a very pretty...
I know who this is.
You got a very pink or yellow dress.
I know who this is.
Who is it?
The l.o.l peep girl.
Oh. It says express your
it's
peepsonality. That's cute.
Express your peepsonality.
I know.
Oh, we got Peep Cup. Peep and
Ooh.
l.o.l.
That's pretty.
We're not gonna unbox the doll quite yet.
Wonder if there's a checklist with this, or is there only one option?
I think it's inside this part.
There's another one on the outside still.
No, it's wrapped up in this little like hard. This. Oh, there you go. That's...
You open those, and I'll look at this.
Okay, Bob. I knew it.
Okay, it looks like there's two different Peep ones.
I knew. We got the little Peep girl.
I love her hair.
I knew it.
We have a couple with this hairstyle, and I love it, especially the glitter. And her little underwear and stuff all glittery.
She has a Peep.
And even her stockings have like little dots in pink, little peeps on it.
We just got our own little Peep.
That is too cute.
Too cute, yeah. Too cute.
Something in there too.
Oh,
the purse is
sunnies.
Amazing.
I found little sunnies.
Oh my gosh,
Sunglasses.
that's so cute.
Found sunglasses.
Hot pink sunnies.
We still got a part where it's stuck.
And then this snaps onto here.
Okay, I finally popped this thing out.
And then you can play with this. There's like a little chair in there and stuff.
Yeah, I would never play with
What's the last thing? And their shoes?
Shoes, yeah, shoes.
Please tell me they're little yellow peeps. Oh, they have pink peeps on them. That's adorable. Let's get her dressed so you can see what she looks like. Here's the final look. Very cute.
Yeah.
I think these were obviously left over from Easter. They were like $6.99 at Target.
They are so cute.
I know. I love the purse because I love the glitter.
Yeah, I love glitter. Glitter.
So if you guys want to see more l.o.l. surprise unboxings, make sure to leave a comment and let us know.
Yep.
Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.